Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video will feature 6 amazing hairstyling options and ideas that you can try this season. So first up we have a long to short hair transformation. And the stylist gave this client a beautiful bob haircut. Gorgeous side swept bangs. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up we have this beautiful hair color transformation. And it looks like she's also going to be getting the mullet hair trend. Gorgeous cut and color combination, such a unique hair shade. So next up we have another haircut transformation. So the stylist did a beautiful tousled bob. Absolutely gorgeous texture, love the bangs. Beautiful. And then we move on to a long to short hair transformation. And the stylist did a beautiful bob haircut. Then we have very pretty shaggy haircuts. This is more of like that shaggy bob style that we've been seeing going around. And then we have a hair color transformation. So the stylist gave the client this beautiful burgundy hair color. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.